Yo, brothers and sister, today I want to talk about how to handle haters, mga negative people. First of all, if you gonna reach a point na gusto mo maging famous, maging sikat, like me, I have million followers, but basically yung following now, it's not that much important because what's happening to our social media is it's becoming a creative media. So basically, even if you're not famous, if you have a good content, it will reach out to millions in just a couple of days or hours. So but basically, because I push out a lot of content as well, that's why my face is very recognizable. Uh, and what I can see about these haters, because I've been a controversial person. A lot of people check the comments, see the comments, and there's a lot of, like jokes or comedy, whatever you might call it. It might seem negative. Even my top fans, some of them are a bit of a joke because I'm a comedy person, but some I think it's also are really meant to pull you down because they're basically negative on themselves. But in general, if I walk down the street it's very rare for me to encounter someone who is really mad or pissed off about me. That would maybe account to, maybe out of 50 interaction, there would be just one, or out of 100 interaction, there would be one personally that would be really, talk shit about me. And I try to likay na lang ko, magpalayo na lang ko sa yung mga gulo na ganyan. I don't want to be part of it, no? Why would I? Why would I? And you're the one who started to be angry. What did I do? Telling me that I'm pasikat and all that shit. Okay. And so, how why does it come to a point that you're so mad at me? You're so negative about seeing me. So, I'm telling you this because I've encountered haters in just online, and then especially the much more you that's the much more I feel affected to is the people who I meet personally. And it's very rare na mangyari yan, but I think you need to accept that in some point because accounting from you being famous sa pagiging sikat mo, the downside of that is there would be criticism, and you need to accept the criticism behind everything that you do. Even if you do good by and you reach to the point of a lot of following, you reach your voice to a lot of people, there would be judgment. And you just need to accept that you just need to think about it. Am I destroying the society? Am I creating a chaos, basically? Or is it just the people and their consciousness that they cannot accept? They're not open-minded enough. Sila lang yung kawawa because they're not open to another perspective. Then sorry for you guys. I'm not here to silence my voice just for you to be at ease, because truth is much more important to the creation of the building of society than being silent and not doing anything about the negative things about our life. What am I even saying? But I think you've grasped a little bit of my perspective, and that's what's important. Not just the words I say, but the belief, the actions that I am interpreting blessed and love.